Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Eclipse. I'm going to show you how to download and install Eclipse on your Windows 11 operating system. So stick close. So we're going to start off in our web browser and we're going to go ahead to the search bar. I'm using Google Chrome and you're going to go and search Eclipse download. Now it should be within the first few search results, but in my case it's the first one and we're going to click on this. Now the official website is eclipse.org and you will be redirected to this page. This is where you get to download Eclipse. So we're going to go ahead on the left hand side. It says install your favorite desktop IDE packages, and here you're going to go ahead and download the x86_64. Now when you have downloaded this, it'll be here in your downloads. As you can see, I have just downloaded it, and what you're going to do now is click on that download and the installation wizard will begin. From here, you're going to go ahead and select the version. So we want Eclipse IDE for Java developers. We're going to select that first one. And from here, we have the option to choose the installation folder as well as the version. So we're going to keep it just as it is. It is the latest release. We also have the opportunity to create a start menu entry. I'm going to remove that, and you can also have a desktop shortcut created. We're going to go ahead now and tap on install, and this should take a few minutes. We're going to just say accept now. So you can see now that the installation is complete, and what we're going to do is go ahead and click on launch. And this will now also be able to be launched from your desktop. There is a shortcut that has been created. Now, once you launch Eclipse, you will have to choose where all your resources and your plugins and all of your stuff goes once you have created it. So you can go ahead and browse for a location, or you can just leave it as is. And then if you would like to continue to use this same location for all your projects, you can click on this, use this as the default and do not ask again. Or if you would like to have the opportunity to save it to different locations every time you open Eclipse, you can leave this turned off. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on launch. We are now officially in Eclipse. We have downloaded it successfully. If you have any issues, please leave it in the comment section. We would love to be of real assistance. We'll see you in another awesome video. Happy developing, people. Peace out.